What's going on, guys? This morning, it's Monday morning, day trading. Day trading Monday. Not bad. A little bit of money this morning. Nice little easy trade. Get a nice little pullback. I'm going to show you guys the trade here in a second. Really a simple trade, and I don't want to downplay it. I don't want to say, trading is simple or day trading is simple or anything like that. But this morning, sometimes you just kind of get lucky, and this morning kind of was like one of those setups. So basically waking up, looking at the trade idea scanner, seeing AMTX on the top of the scanner there, seeing the volume, seeing the action, and then capitalizing on that plan. So I'm going to show you guys my entry, show you guys my exits, and all of that fun stuff here in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. What's going on, guys? It's Monday morning here, looking at AMTX, looking for a little bit more of a pullback. I want to see this maybe $1.30 area, looking for a pullback here. If we can get down there, $1.30 area. Looking for a bit of a pullback down to this previous kind of resistance here at the $1.30. Looking to add just kind of into this pullback going into open. Thinking we can get this push back above pre-market highs here. Watching this kind of looking for a little bit more. I want to get down to this $1.30 area. Stock has news this morning. Low float. Not maybe a 16 million share float here, but it got a lot of volume on it. It got 1.7 million shares traded so far. So trying to look for this opportunity here if this is going to pull back down there a little bit more. And see if we can't get this to push back above that pre-market high here in a little bit. Got to get back above the EMAs here. You can see this kind of downward trend right now. Looking to see this kind of break out of there and start to curl back up here above $1.40. Looking good so far. Looking for us to push back above $1.40, kind of consolidate there for a little bit and start to make that move back towards $1.50 here. There we go. Getting some action here. Get a little bit more volume. Need some more volume to come in here. You can see kind of that downward trend. You can see also the volume decreasing. And then once we broke out of that downward trend, we got a spike in volume here. People waiting for that confirmation there on this downward trend. Getting the bounce here back above $1.40. So now we just need that continuation here and start to curl back up towards that $1.50 area and start to looking to see if we can't get above that pre-market high. Pre-market high so far is $1.57 here on AMTX this morning. You can see on the 5-minute chart kind of that curl there. That's what we were looking for, that pullback down there on the EMAs on the 5-minute chart, getting that nice little consolidation right here. Needed that pullback there on the 5-minute chart, a little bit overextended here, up there $1.50, overextended. Look for that pullback. We got the pullback down here to the $1.36, $1.50, $1.36 area that we were looking for. And now we're looking to see if this can't kind of start to curl back up here and push towards that pre-market high. Having a little bit of trouble right there. Let's see if we can hold. We got to hold this $1.36 area. All right, so there's that curl. All right, so there's that curl we were looking for up there to $1.48. Now looking to see if we can push through $1.50 here, giving a little bit of time. Let's see if we can go all the way here. Get above that $1.50. Having a little bit of patience this morning, giving a little bit of time. Looking for this break over $1.50. Look to sell probably 1,500. Probably sell half into that push above $1.50 if we get it. This should start kind of ramping up a little bit faster if we get some more volume to come in here and push this above $1.50. Should kind of get a little bit more volatility there as this starts to move. So that's what we're looking for. That push above $1.50 here. I'm going to take a little off right there at $1.48. Having a little bit of trouble there. I don't want to get stuck in this. Take some green. Up $165 so far in realized profits. So looking for this push now above $1.50. Let's see if we can get it to go. Look to sell 500 right there, $1.51. Keeping 1,000 shares to see if we can't push above that pre-market high now. If we pull back below $1.50, I'm getting out there. And I'm going to go ahead and get out there at $1.50 now. So there it is, making $355 here on AMTX this morning. Pretty basic trade. Just looking for that kind of pullback on the 5-minute chart. That's exactly what we got. Just watching the 5-minute chart. We got the pullback down to the EMA, and then it was looking for that ramp up. And I was hoping for a little bit more of a squeeze, a little bit more of a push right there on this move. It might end up coming. It might end up happening here in a minute. But right now, it's not really looking like it's wanting to go. But I was playing it safe as well, so it'll probably squeeze to the moon once the market opens now that I covered. But now that I got out of the trade, it'll probably end up going to the moon. But that's just kind of how it goes sometimes. But you got to be able to stick to your plan, have a plan. And my plan really was to look for that pullback down to the 5-minute EMAs, looking for that pullback on the 5-minute chart down to the EMAs, and then looking for that push above $1.50. We got the push, and there it is, $1.53 now. So taking profits a little early on this trade. It's going to go, watch it. It's going all the way right now. It's going to go all the way above that pre-market high like we were looking for. Oh, she's doing it. She's going all the way, my friends. Not bad. I'll end up taking it there and making a little bit of money this morning. So basically getting in here at 8:45, getting out here at 9 o'clock, 9:05. So not bad for 20 minutes of work this morning. 20 minutes of work, making $300 in the So 20 minutes of work today, making $300. Pretty simple little trade here. Had the momentum, had the volume. We had 2.3 million shares, 2.2 million shares traded so far. This thing popped up on the Gapper list this morning, AMTX right there. And there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out there, and I'm going to go handle some business. I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.